This foam cleaner is going insanely viral in 2026, but is it actually magic or just another internet scam? Everywhere online, people are spraying this stuff once, wiping it, and suddenly everything looks brand new. But here's the part nobody tells you. Most viral foam cleaners use edited lighting, fake before and afters, and sometimes they're literally generic products with different labels. So I tested the Autogo Foam Cleaner myself. First impression, the foam is real thick. It does remove surface dirt pretty fast, especially on plastic, fabric, and car interiors. But deep stains? Not exactly miracle level. You still need scrubbing for heavy grime. And that one wipe instant restoration you see in ads? Yeah, that's exaggerated. So is Autogo Foam Cleaner a scam? Not completely. It's a real cleaner, but the marketing makes it look way more powerful than it actually is. If you expect magic, you'll be disappointed. If you expect a decent multi-purpose foam cleaner, it's actually okay. And honestly, that's the problem with viral products in 2026. Sometimes the product works, but the internet sells you a fantasy. So before buying anything you see on TikTok or Facebook, always check real reviews first, because one viral video can hide 1,000 disappointed customers. Follow for more honest viral product reviews before you waste your money.